Hey, what's going on, everybody? I wanted to show you guys something real quick for all you YouTube creators out there. I'm going to show you a new feature that they just released. I actually just saw this probably like 5 or 6 minutes ago. Yeah, maybe about 9 minutes ago. But you guys need to check this out real quick. Actually, it is going to save me a lot of time. Actually, I've already used it and made some customizations to my channel. But let me throw up my screen real quick. So if you guys see right here, this is how you normally used to customize your channel. You used to actually have to go up here to the menu, which I don't know if you can see this or not, depending on where my screen is. But let me see if I can move my screen over here. So you guys right here. So usually you have to go here, and then you have to actually hit your channel, and then you would go to customize channel, and you could pretty much customize your channel based off of that, which obviously it would lead you to this screen right here. And if you wanted to change this video up here, you would have to go to where is it? You have to hit customize channel, which now actually they changed that. So now it looks like they're actually leading you to the page customization. But yeah, before you would actually have to go down here, and you would have to either manage your videos, or either you would have to customize your channel that way. But now, if you see, they actually have a customization button right here, which they sent me a notification, and it said use this customization button. So if you click customization on this panel, you can easily go in here and you can change up your videos. Obviously, they give you different options on here where you can actually change up your video. So you can change video, and it will actually scroll through different videos, all of your videos that you have on there, or either you can type in your videos. So your videos, depending on which video you want to put on there. But I wanted to let you guys know that, because this is actually saving me a lot of time. And then obviously you can go down here to different sections, and you can obviously upload whatever you want to. Featured channels, subscriptions, you can change your feed easily by doing it that way, which obviously that is very awesome that they provided that that option right here, instead of you having to click around and do all that other stuff. But I wanted to let you guys know that, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.